Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to change language in Snapchat. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Snapchat. So I'm going to simply click on my Snapchat right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on this profile icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings icon from the top. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and go to language. Then right here, you have different language right here. What you need to do is to simply scroll down and choose your preferred language. Once you select a preferred language, and it automatically change to your preferred language without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.